Hello everyone, welcome to Product Hunter. Today we're going to review 3 amazing air fryers that will transform your kitchens from top to bottom. The products we'll be looking at are Philips HD 9867 9DO XXL Air Fryer, Cosori Pro La Air Fryer, and Instant Vortex Plus 6-in-1 Air Fryer. You're in the right place to find out which air fryer is the best option for you. Philips HD 9867 9DO XXL Air Fryer. When you take the air fryer out of the box, its design catches your eye. The top part is matte, while the details are highlighted in pink. Along with the air fryer, there's a handy guide in the box that contains some recipes. The guide is simple and short. One of the biggest advantages of this air fryer is that it doesn't require preheating. Additionally, the cooking time for most preparations is much shorter compared to an oven. While the air fryer takes up quite a bit of space, it also has a large capacity. You can easily fit enough French fries for 4 to 5 people, or 4 stuffed peppers or muffins. The air fryer has a dual star-shaped bottom that removes excess oil and moisture with the airflow. This sits between the 2 plates below, resulting in healthier preparations and crispier ingredients. This air fryer has 5 smart programs. However, the drawback is that it only has smart programs for 5 different ingredients. In addition to preparing fries and snacks, you can also use the air fryer for many other dishes. Luckily, there are plenty of special recipes available for the air fryer. Philips also has an app called NutriU for the air fryer. From sweet potato fries to delicious pies, you'll find everything in the app. The app also has a What's in my fridge function. You enter the ingredients you have at home, and the app searches for recipes. You can also save your favorite recipes for quick access. Additionally, you can add your own recipes to the app. Cosori Pro La Air Fryer. It's a compact kitchen appliance with a matte black finish, measuring 10.6 x 10.6 x 11.8 inches. The LED and touch control panel are located on the glossy top of this kitchen tool. It's a basket-style air fryer, and both the basket itself and the vegetable tray are dishwasher safe. It comes with a recipe book containing over 30 meals, and the V-Sync app, available for iOS and Android, offers hundreds more. While it's recommended to preheat the air fryer, it doesn't happen automatically. Therefore, you need to activate the preheat first, and then add the food items after preheating is complete. Like most top air fryers, the Cosori Pro LE Air Fryer L501 uses hot air to crisp up food placed in the frying basket. According to Cosori, cooking with this air fryer requires 85% less oil than deep frying, offering a healthier way to enjoy delicious treats like French fries and chicken wings. The Cosori Pro LE Air Fryer L501 is a basket-style air fryer with a capacity of 5 liters, 4.7 quarts, which should be sufficient for 4 people. It reaches a maximum temperature of 446 degrees, 230 degrees. There are 7 presets with predefined temperatures and cooking times for different foods like chicken, pork chops, and vegetables. These can be activated by pressing the touch controls on the top of the air fryer, allowing you to adjust the temperature and cooking time to your liking for personalized cooking. Additionally, it features a preheat function that will keep your dishes warm for up to 30 minutes and a keep warm feature. Both the basket and the vegetable tray are dishwasher safe. Instant Vortex Plus 6-in-1 Air Fryer. It's a versatile device with a 6-liter capacity, which is sufficient for 6 servings. It offers the ability to fry, bake, grill, dehydrate, reheat, and of course, air fry food. However, since no cooking chart or guide is included, using it will require some trial and error to a certain extent. While the touchscreen controls are positioned closer to the top of the air fryer, the dial used to adjust cooking temperature and time is slightly smaller than in the initial iteration of the Instant Vortex Plus. There's a built-in plastic window on the front of the basket, along with a light in the cooking chamber, allowing you to see how the cooking process is progressing. It doesn't come with a recipe booklet. Instead, you'll need to go online for inspiration or use the Ready app on your smartphone or tablet. Additionally, there are no cooking charts or guides, meaning some experimentation will be necessary to find the ideal cooking temperature and time. This is especially true when cooking frozen foods, allowing you to cook them to your liking. A useful feature is the shake reminder function, which provides both audible and visual alerts to shake or flip the food to ensure the hot air reaches every centimeter of the food. A significant upgrade from the previous version is the use of built-in air filters using odor erase technology to reduce cooking odors emanating from your home. You'll definitely notice a clear reduction in cooking odors when using this odor erase technology compared to other models on the market. It's worth noting that it measured only 51.7 decibels in a decibel measurement test, which is equivalent to the faint hum of a refrigerator. We've reached the end of this video where we've reviewed these 3 air fryers: the Philips HD 986790 XXL air fryer, the Kozori Pro Lee air fryer, and the Instant Vortex Plus 6 in one air fryer. Choosing between them might be challenging, but I hope our review has helped you make that decision. Don't forget to subscribe to the Product Hunter channel and turn on notifications to catch our future product reviews. See you in the next video.